Hi guys, how are you today? Today we're going to see how we're going to complete this task. This is the second part from the guide number 6. And I'm going to go part by part, question by question, in order that you can see how to answer each part. Okay? So it says, task 1. In this year has been difficult, however, it is important to be resilient. So write a reflective message about your own healthy living, attitudes and plans in order to get a successful future. Use future tense. Remember to use this. Use future tense. Will and be going to. The first part. Brainstorm a list of healthy living attitudes that will help you to create a successful future. Here you have to make just a list. For example, I'm going to write responsible, confident, give my best effort. It could be, let's see, resilience. Okay, it could be those. Okay, so you make the list. This is the list that you should use. Okay, it's not allowed that you copy the same in your assignments. Okay, as soon as we finish this, we go for the next part. Draft a message about the key steps about to create a successful life. Use following questions to guide yourself when writing your message. Okay, we're going to answer these questions. I'm going to give you an idea how to answer, and then you continue. It says, question A, in your own words, define success. Be careful with this, because here is asking for your opinion, what is success. Okay, so in that sense, we're going to answer this. I think success will be the person who, and you're going to say what is success according to your opinion. Okay, according to opinion. So in your own words, define success. I think, we're going to correct here, I think success will be the person who, what? Or we can say, I believe success will have special, for example, characteristics. Okay, in order to say something, characteristics. Okay, let's go for the next one. B, what are the ingredients or characteristics to become a successful person? So here you can say some characteristics to become a successful person, and you're going to detail what are those ingredients in order to become a successful person. Okay, let's go for the question C. What is the recipe to create a successful future? You can say, my recipe to create a successful future is, and you're going to add what is your recipe to create a successful future. Okay, let's continue for the next one. What will you do to create a successful future? Mention 5 key steps you consider are necessary to get it. Be careful, because here is using will. So here in the answer, we're going to use will. I will, list my priorities. Okay, I will focus on my immediate goals. I don't know. Okay, just to give you ideas. And finally, we going to answer this last question. It says, are you a successful person? Why do you think so? If your answer is positive, so you say yes, I am a successful person because, and you give the reason that you think that you are a successful person, or otherwise, no, I am not a successful person because. Why you are not a successful person? Okay, when we finish with this, we go here and I'm going to give you a clue. It says, publish your message in a WhatsApp group or an entry block if possible. Otherwise, use a separate paper and paste it around the class. So here we're going to insert a text box. We're going to insert it here. And here we're going to write our key steps to be a successful person. Okay, in that way you're going to complete this assignment. Okay, I hope that this part helped you a lot. Let's see you next time. Bye.